Hello everybody and welcome back to Little Tree English, an English learning channel for young learners or new beginners who are wanting to learn or improve on their English speaking language. Our English lessons are designed to be short and concise for easy learning and understanding. You can pause the videos and practice the new words by yourself. Our topics are about learning new words, sounds, sentence structures, using English in a one-to-one role play, and using reading skills. Please support our learning journey together by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Let's begin. Our lesson today is Using Phonics 3. Using short vowels. The sounds we're using today are ed and egg. Ed, ed, bed, bed. Ed, ed, bed, fed. Ed, ed, red, red. Ed, ed, wed, wed. Bed, fed, red, wed. Our egg sounds: egg, egg, beg, beg. Egg, 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 egg. Egg, egg, leg, leg. Egg, egg, peg, peg. Beg, egg, leg, peg. Listen and say the sentence. The dog is on the bed. The dog is on the bed. I fed the cat. I fed the cat. They have wed. They have wed. The girl dropped an egg. The girl dropped an egg. The peg is red. The peg is red. The boy hurt his leg. The boy hurt his leg. We are at the end of our lesson. Thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date on new content. Have a great day and see you soon. Bye bye.